Governor wa Meru Mutuma M'Ethingia arĩ na kinyĩte koti nene ya Kiambu na ararĩ mũkũnji wa thirikari ya mbere koro wakwa Daniel Sniper akĩrĩa Mutuma ugĩte amenyere Sniper no tunarĩ mũrengo na iwawe bari kumenana na kawĩra Mangaza nkuluki Mutuma ugĩte Sniper na mũtarĩrĩrie na aringĩrwo thimũ nĩ mwandĩki wa kawĩra akĩenda bacemania kenda bathire kucene cio cheki siasa kaite no kau na thĩrĩte tarĩki 4 December 2023 rĩrĩa awatire riboti Sniper na urĩte na raromba mwekuru wa Wairi Nikamencho aringĩ riboti kĩrĩtuo kĩa polisi nyumene mũrĩo Sniper yuronekana yuteimwerene yomutonga Antoni Kathenya aina ntetonkuloki.
Isaac Mutuma M'Ethingia. Do swear that
the evidence that I'm going to adduce before this court.
The evidence that I'm going to adduce before this court.
In regards to the matter in question.
In regards to the matter in question.
Shall be the truth.
Shall be the truth.
The only truth.
The only truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
And you said that by the grace of God, you are the governor of Meru.
Yes, I said that.
But apart from God's grace, there was also human intervention to make you governor, correct?
I believe it's by God's grace.
Apart from God's grace, you also have a lot of human intervention to make you governor. Am I correct?
It's true, it doesn't work in vacuum.
It doesn't work in vacuum.
Sure.
It doesn't work in vacuum. You need it. And that human hand or intervention is partly your hand. You contributed towards you being the governor of Meru today. Rising from the position of a deputy governor to the position of the governor, correct?
Not at all, my lady.
Not at all.
My contribution was being the deputy governor. My only contribution of being where I am today was my being the deputy governor then. He is my lady because I was the deputy governor at that time.
I want to put it to you, Governor Mutuma, that your ascension power had more to do with human intervention than God's grace. What do you say?
From your angle, I have my angle. It is God who did it.
Are you saying that you did not know about people who were supporting your faction, that you had nothing to do with?
I knew, and the Sniper was one of them.
Is it because you link her with the death of Sniper? Do you link the former governor of Meru with the death of Sniper?
My lady, not at all. I haven't mentioned that.
No, I'm asking whether you ever linked her with the death of Sniper.
I've never. And I'm even now not linking her.
You are not linking her?
Yeah.
Have you ever linked Governor Mangaza with the death of Sniper?
Not at all.
Not at all. So if you were to produce media clips with you linking the governor, but again you will apply to this court. And I will produce them during the defense hearing.
That's okay, Mr. Mutuma. You produce them.
Yes.
But depending on the context, you know, if Brother Tali is there, if Supu is here, then how can you avoid mentioning the name of the governor?
Read the title of that news update.
Okay, I'll read from whichever source it came.
It's not what I ask again.
That doesn't mean I own this one.
I have not said you own them.
I'll read. I'll read, my lady.
Yes.
Let me tell you, Kawera.
No, the title. The title.
Governor Mutuma blasts Mangaza.
Governor Mutuma blasts Mangaza.
Yeah.
When is the news item dated at the bottom?
Monday, 21st of July. Governor Mutuma blasts Mangaza. My lady, I don't think.
You want to think about that, Lord?
No. I'm just allow me to communicate to the.
No. It's a question I'm asking in very specific terms. Okay.
My lady, with your permission. I don't think you'd allow us to talk about the impeachment that is alive in the Court of Appeal, because I don't believe this is an impeachment matter. It is a criminal issue that doesn't touch about the person. In fact, it is Wakili Mutuma is dragging Kawera into this matter. Why are you pulling Kawera into a matter that she's not an accused person?
Unfortunately, you can't ask me questions.
I'm asking the court. I'm asking the court.
And the court can't even answer, unfortunately. Governor Mutuma, you drove from there to testify, right? In respect to the proceedings before this court.
Yes.
I am doing cross-examination.
That's okay.
I can touch on every question.
Right.
That's the risk you assume to engage.
Right.
You're very kind to me. Kindly lead us with the house welcomes.
It is, my lady, because